So we're here in Pewaukee, Wisconsin at the Harken headquarters where we do all of our manufacturing, and today we're going to be going over an exciting new product for us, the Wingman. I'm Sean Cogan. I'm the commercial director for the Harken Safety and Rescue businesses. The Harken Wingman is a mini haul kit that can be used as a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1 kit, depending on how you orient the load. It comes in a ballistic nylon bag, specifically made for the kit. Set up with a little drop pouch here so your hardware can stay separate from your rope, so you're not getting entangled as you're dumping things into your pouch. You'll see some major differences between the Wingman and other mini haul kits on the market. Is one, the overall compactness. We designed this so that both blocks nest together into the control handle. So you can go full block to block to reduce any kind of overhead interference. So it's one of the most compact mini haul systems on the market today. The Wingman obviously has a very different feature that hasn't been seen in these previously. The progress capture is on an eccentric cam here, which is releasable like most descent devices, but we've combined it into the flexibility of a mini haul system. So releasing or paying out the load has a handle that snaps back into place, instantly locking any of the progress of the rope. One of the biggest differences with the release handle, much like controlled descenders, is that you can actually release a fully loaded device without having to retension the system to release a toothed cam or a prusik in the system. So to head off any questions of the toughness of the handle being apparently plastic, this is a 40% nylon glass-filled injection molded handle that we have a lot of experience with from the marine world of knowing its toughness, knowing its track record of what kind of beating it can take. So the Wingman has 2 swivel eyes on the top and the bottom, so you can always find the right path, the right load path, by having the device adjust to the load path. The swivel eye looks a little bit different than most of the swivel eyes on the market. So we incorporated what we call the mushroom head attachment. So we have a full strength stud here that doesn't require any type of roll pins, any type of set screws or Loctiting of fasteners. So we maintain a higher strength by actually splitting the body of the swivel and then joining it up to be a singular component after the fact. It comes standard with 50 feet of a proprietary cordage from Sterling rope that was specifically made for the Wingman to reduce stretch, have suppleness on the bend radius of the smaller shivs, and have a really good feel in the hand of the user. So we're not overloading systems. We have an engineered slip. So at 4 kilonewtons, this device is engineered to slip at the working load of the device. We're not damaging rope and we're not damaging hardware. So that's roughly 680 pounds before you end up slipping. So you're well within a 2-person load range, single person positioning range without any issues. The overall minimum braking strength of this is also a little bit higher than the other ones on the market right now. So we have a stated 45 kilonewton MBS on this system. So it is fully G-rated as far as the NFPA goes. It is CE certified and also UKCA certified. So one of the distinguishing features of the Wingman is that the blocks can actually nest together and still hold the load. There's no need to take tension off of the load to release a prusik or release a toothed cam. So having full control of releasing the load from a nested position gives you a lot more overhead height in your systems. When you're coming into the haul side of things, you're going to hear a familiar sound. We like to call it the sound of progress, and that's because of the ratcheted eccentric shiv that acts as the progress capture system within the controlled block here. So as we're putting this away, It's nice to be able to separate the rope from the hardware. Just keep the hardware on the little shelf there so we don't cause any tangles down the line. So for more information on the Wingman, or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Harken. Go to harkenindustrial.com or check in with any of your local Harken dealers.